Update on my Coffman exhaust. I wasn't really happy with the sound of any of these VFRs 1200s other than one of them, and that guy deleted his catalytic converter. I'm one for sound. I need to have sound, so the only step I had left was to remove the DB killer, and it had a hell of an impact. All right, I mean, this thing sounds like a whole nother bike now. There's no question. I haven't seen one YouTube that had an exhaust that loud on one of these VFRs. Nobody has put it on there. Why didn't anybody tell me this? I took that out. I know a lot of you guys are worried about back pressure and all that. Screw that. This sounds good. This thing has a catalytic converter box in there. It's already got enough back pressure if you ask me. So just to update later.